cold steel knife.
Put it up against something like that.
Yep, you've got little pumpers, lock it up against the counter, make them spring tight, draw through. The rods are made to squeeze back so they follow that original edge. Takes a lot of the guesswork out. It sets that original bevel back in a knife. You buy good expensive knives, you want to keep these original edges. I like to use a leather when I'm done for pocket knives. That polishes. Use the rough side of the belt you wear.
Any belt do?
Any belt will work, as long as it's leather. And feel that edge, see how much difference it is.
Let me see the color.
I do them 20 each, 2 for 30.
Let me get the black and the blue.
Black and blue, all right.
I got it.